Good morning to all dear students. Today we are going to learn class 8 maths chapter number 12 exponent and powers. Exponents and powers. What is exponent and what is power? Na? Okay. We know that the mass of the earth is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the mass of the earth. Okay. This can be written as easily 5.97 multiplied by 10 to power 24 kg. Okay. This is easy way to represent this mass. Okay, earth of mass. Here if we consider this part 10 to power 24, okay, 10 power 24, okay. This is read as 10 raised to the power 24, okay. This is read as 10 raised to the power 24, and here 24 be the exponent and 10 be the base, okay. 10 be the base and 24 be the exponent. There are some laws of exponent. So now we will see the one by one of the laws of exponent. First, laws of exponent. First law, a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n, which is written as a to the power m plus n. That means when base be the same, then powers will be added. When base be same, we will add the power, okay. And second, a to the power m upon b to the power n. A to the power n, which is equal to a to the power m minus n. This can be written as m minus n. In multiplication, when base be same, power added, and in division, when base be same, power subtracted, okay. M minus n. That means a base to the power m, that means power of numerator minus power of denominator, okay. And law number third, a to the power m upon b to the power m, when base different but power be same, then this can be written as a upon b whole to the power m, okay. And law number fourth, a to the power m, this can be written as 1 upon a to the power minus m, or a to the power minus m, which is equal to a to the power m. Okay. Law number 5th, a power 0, a power 0 which is equal to 1, which is equal to 1, a power 0 which is equal to 1. Okay. And law number 6, law number 6, a to the power m whole power n which is equal to a to the power m multiplied by n. Power of power, here a power m whole power n, then power will be multiplied, the power of power, then exponents will be multiplied. That means a power m whole power n which is equal to a power m multiplied by n, product of powers. Okay. We will use these laws to solving the exercise 12.1. Okay. Thanks for today. Have a nice day.